Hey, what's up guys, your girl Dama. I'm back to bring you guys another video. Please excuse all the noise that you hear in the background. They're working, doing construction outside, so you'll hear like tools, people talking, hammers, all that stuff. But let's get right into this video. As you guys all know, being that you clicked the thumbnail, this video is a Yeezy unboxing. But before we even get into the sneaker, just make sure you hit that subscribe button down below so you stay up to date with all your girls' videos, okay? As I said before, this is a Yeezy unboxing. Here's the box. It's the 350s. This pair was, honestly, it has to be my second favorite. Yeah, the frozen yellows would probably be my first favorite, and these come in second out of the Yeezys that I actually own. And then my wave runners would probably come in third place. But yeah, these are the all black Yeezy 350 V2s. As always, I get my Yeezys in a size 7 because they actually do run small, so I always get them in a size 7 and they fit perfectly. And here's what they look like. Super dope. Honestly, it's not much to really say about these. They're all black Yeezy. The static part, well, the see-through part, it's not really see-through. As you can tell, it's not really see-through. These aren't the 3M versions. The only 3M on the sneaker is actually the shoelaces. I'm not really a fan of the all over 3M. Like, that's not my thing. And I love the little pop of color on the pull tab in the back. It's actually has the red dots all over. I think these sneakers are super dope, but my only thing is they're not a true black. Like, once you get them in hand and you actually look at them, it's like it kind of looks a little navy blue and grayish. Like, it's weird. It kind of has a little navy blue and gray look. Like, on camera they look different. In person, they're not fully black. They're not like a jet black, like a all blacked out sneaker, but that's cool. I still love these. And on the bottom you have the white boost as always. On the inside you have the Adidas Yeezy and Yeezy on the insole. So here's the overview of the sneaker. I love these. Like, to have a pair of all black 350s, these are super dope. I'll be wearing these to the heart, being that my favorite color to wear is actually black. So this is gonna go with a ton of things that I own in my closet. But yeah, like, as I said, it's not really much to say about it. It's a pair of black Yeezys. You know, I know these sneakers were extremely hyped and a lot of people were going after them. So if I'm able to find them, I'll link them down below. I'm sure it won't be for retail, but at least you'll be able to cop a pair if you really wanted them. So I'll link them down below if I can find any lingering pairs. But this is what they look like. My Yeezy Boost 350 V2s in black static. But thank you guys for joining me in my quick little unboxing, and I will definitely see you guys in my next video. So as always, peace out.